If you have not gotten this workbook yet and you're trying to restore your federal gun rights, you're already behind. This is what I will be educating you all from. The 925C Made Simple, the Ultimate Federal Gun Rights Restoration Workbook. Now, you can get this at legal-gangster.com. But let me show you the table of contents. Starting with Chapter 1, what is gun rights restoration, why the rule matters, and it goes on down. It covers all of this. A lot of people think this is going to be an expensive process, but no, the filing fee is $20. But if you can't afford the $20, there's going to be waiving options, so you won't have to pay that fee. It goes on down, state versus federal gun rights, and it just continues here. But what I want to show you all right now, really quick, is Chapter 7, because I get a lot of questions. Now, right here is the step-by-step application process, and it takes you through this. Here's step 1. You're going to download the official application form once it becomes live. It's not live as of yet, you all, but you all need to get on our alerts list. Go here, get on this eligibility tool to even see your eligibility. That's at fedgunrights.com. fedgunrights.com. Once you do that, come check out the workbook. Then we're here. You'll download it once it goes live. Download it is you're going to print 2 copies. One is for the process and one is a practice copy, so you can fill it out. Okay, now let's continue in your workbook. Step 2, gather all your required documents. A lot of people want to know, what do you need? What do you need? Here it is. Your application, your final court judgment, probation, parole, discharge papers, mental health clearance, employment verification, housing verification, character letters, personal affidavit, police clearance letter, and background check consent form. Then you're going to go on down. Step 3, sign the background check form. It tells you where you're going to get it. Notify your local police chief or sheriff. You all will have to do that. That process is included. Step 5, you're going to pay the filing fee or request a waiver. Step 6, submit the application. In the current workbook that you'll get, it has that you can either submit it via mail, but they want you to submit it via the online application portal once that goes live. Step 7, you're going to track and wait. It tells you about tracking and waiting, and we're going to go on to tell you about what mistakes to avoid. Gives you a list of mistakes to avoid. Here's some pro tips, and here's your workbook exercise. So as you get things done, you just come over here and log the date you completed it. So this is packed full of information, and if you are going to be following me as I assist you all on the YouTube channel, at Legal Gangster Network, this is what I'll be working from, this workbook. And this goes on to talk about the $20 filing fee, but it's packed full of information. If you haven't gotten the workbook, you are already doing yourself a disservice, because once the application goes live and you don't have any of your paperwork together, you're going to be at the back of the line. That's it. That's all. And again, if you have not checked your eligibility, use the eligibility tool, and at that time you can also sign up for alerts. So once the application goes live, you will automatically receive an alert. All right, let's get it.